Starting around the 1st of May 2023, Jasmy coin truly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.45% in most recent 60 minutes, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. JASMY generally has a kind of complete market cap of $303,138,693 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $59,001,637 in a by and large significant manner. This in every way that really matters makes Jasmy coin truly positioning at 113 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Jasmy coin basically be exceptionally worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Jasmy coin a very wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will JASMY cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, which in a real sense is very critical? These truly are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for JASMY's future. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023. So JASMY has a fundamentally complete market cap of $303,138,693 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $59,001,637, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. As per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the JASMY cost by and large is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of $0. The normal for the most part least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to fundamentally be $0 in unpretentious manner. Besides, JASMY can essentially arrive at a really greatest value level of 1 cent in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value figure April 2023. The Jasmy coin cost for April 2023 may by and large arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0. The greatest estimated cost fundamentally is around $0, or so they generally thought. The typical cost for JASMY explicitly is truly anticipated to generally reach $0 April 2023, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Jasmy coin could sort of stretch around $0, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of JASMY in May 2023 for the most part is $0, a fundamentally normal cost of $0, which by and large is very huge. JASMY value estimate June 2023. The Jasmy coin gauge for June 2023 expects that the JASMY might arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0, a genuinely least cost of around $0, in spite of mainstream thinking. Discussing the in every way that really matters. Normal value JASMY can especially stretch around $0 June in a quite large manner. Jasmy coin value gauge July 2023. The Jasmy coin cost for July 2023 may truly arrive at a very least worth of $0. The especially greatest determined value sort of is around $0, which generally is genuinely huge. The truly normal cost for JASMY certainly is basically anticipated to in every way that really matters reach $0 July 2023 in an unpretentious way. JASMY value conjecture August 2023. The Jasmy coin figure for August 2023 expects that the JASMY may for the most part arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $0, a kind of least cost of around $0, a fundamentally enormous manner. Discussing the exceptionally normal value JASMY can stretch around $0 August incredibly. Jasmy coin value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin in a real sense is supposed to generally be at around a genuinely least of $0, a truly significant manner. Jasmy coin cost can explicitly arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0, the kind of typical cost of $0 USD, or so they essentially thought. Jasmy coin value forecast October 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin sort of is generally anticipated to basically reach at a truly least worth of $0 October 2023, exhibiting how JASMY most certainly has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $303,138,693 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $59,001,637, which basically is very critical. The JASMY cost could explicitly arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0, the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023. JASMY value estimate November 2023. The Jasmy coin conjecture for November 2023 expects that the JASMY may explicitly arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of 1 cent with a by and large least cost of around $0, a genuinely huge manner. Discussing the kind of typical value JASMY can generally stretch around $0 November. which really is very huge. Jasmy coin value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin basically is supposed to be at around a sort of least of $0, which especially is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin cost can truly arrive at a genuinely limit of 1 cent with the typical cost of $0 USD in a sort of significant way. Jasmy coin pretty past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been for the most part diminished by 6.45% in its by and large current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming that we sort of look at the really current market cap of the JASMY with yesterday, you can essentially see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in a very significant manner. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the JASMY was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 6.7%. Or so they certainly thought. Jasmy coin truly has shown extremely kind of solid especially potential of late. And this could be somewhat great chance to fundamentally dive right in and contribute, or so they basically thought. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the genuinely current cost and genuinely beyond 30 days cost history, it is seen that Jasmy coin has expanded 17.159% in its worth, which is very critical. The really normal genuinely least cost for the month is $0. Greatest normal cost for the most part was $0, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. This suggests that this coin for the most part is a reasonable resource and another expansion to prettier arrangement of coins for long haul, which especially is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is around 36.62% and the value sort of circled from a base especially normal cost of $0 kind of most extreme sort of normal cost of $0 the essentially beyond 90 days in a sort of significant manner. In most recent 4 months Jasmy coin by and large has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. In this manner, we really believe that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, exhibiting how might JASMY cost for the most part outperform its unequaled by and large high in an especially significant manner. As per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin sort of is expanded from 4 months and in every way that really matters, significant way. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost in an unpretentious manner. The coin sort of is up by 49.83% with the extremely greatest by and large normal cost of the coin truly was around $0. The exceptionally least most certainly normal cost of essentially was around $0. Genuinely beyond 4 months amazingly. Jasmy coin value conjecture 2023 FAQs what will essentially be Jasmy coin by and large worth in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The JASMY cost in a real sense is determined to by and large arrive at an especially most extreme degree of 1 cent with sort of least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, or so they by and large thought. Does Jasmy coin truly have a future in opposition to prevalent thinking? As far as value, Jasmy coin truly has a remarkable by and large potential to arrive at new levels in a significant manner generally. It basically is conjecture that JASMY